Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. And this small here is my kitchen. And you guys probably wondering what I'm doing with this tray. I always buy these chocolate chip cookies at the supermarket. And they're like 24 cookies like for $1.99. So I had like 3 of them left from the other night that I didn't cook.
That's right.
But everybody ate them. We have some over there left. But nobody wants those 3 ones. So I had this left. So I put them all together. And I'm going to bake 1 cookie. Now, I'm going to put it down here because we are going to make a tres leches cake, guys, from Duncan Hines. You see? And everything that is in the packet is right here. This is the pack for the flour, the cake. Okay? And then it also brought, this is the 3 leches. If you smell it, you can't do it, but it just smells like powder milk, carnation. It smells sweet and all that. So that's to put it on top of the cake later. But for now, we got the powder. It says take a round pan, grease it up with butter, like I said. 3 eggs. So that's 1 egg. 2. Oh, I just got egg on me. 2 eggs. Okay, what I did. You can show people what I did. Look what I did. See what happened to me there, guys? But real quick, sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to do a little interruption. I just took a clean rag from over there. So when I take this off later, it doesn't stay. But it's not a big deal. And just fill me up here, Mike, okay? So we put the flour for the cake, 3 eggs, and half a cup of water. And the oven on 350. And then we're gonna mix this. It says like for 30 seconds until it's nice and smooth. See, here we go, right? Kind of like fast, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think about that? And it says to heat this with butter, and that also to put a little tiny bit in the bottom of flour. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour because that's what it tells me to do. So that means that you gotta put a little bit of flour like that to sprinkle it, huh? I don't know why, but I guess it's because it won't get stuck or something like that, right, Mike? So, okay, so here I am, guys. So we're gonna stir, and mix this. That smells so good. My husband just came down. He was asking me, why are you gonna make another cake? Why are you baking sweets again? I like sweets. I spent almost 4 years without being able to eat too much of anything. So now that I can, I like to eat little pieces. It's not that I'm gonna eat the whole cake, but, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And it says how many minutes, Mike?
15 minutes?
It says 18 minutes, right?
Let's take a look, everyone.
What does it say?
18 to 20 minutes. Add 3 to 5 minutes to bake time for darker coated pan.
Okay, so look. We're pouring it in. Hold on a second, okay. Let me go like this so everybody can see.
All right.
That looks so pretty to me.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to put it in the oven for between 18 and 21 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
But we like it a little bit darker, so I'm going to say, Michael, 25 minutes.
25,
right?
maximum 30
And then
minutes.
when we come back, like after the cake is done, we're going to take, this is the milk. And what we're going to do, we're going to put 3.5 cups of milk into this powder. And we're going to mix it. And then when the cake is done, we're going to pour it on the cake. Then we're going to put the cake in the fridge. And leave it there for 2 hours. And then when we take it out, we'll be ready to eat. I'll take a piece. I'll eat it. And that was the egg when I cracked it. That way, when that happens to you guys, that's what you have to do. Oh, wow. Look at that cookie, Michael.
Oh, yeah.
It's already melted. So here we go. I'm going to put the cake right in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
And let's put the timing.
Oh, yeah.
And how many minutes did we say, Michael? 25 for us?
Maximum 30.
30? Okay. Maximum 30. So we'll be back in half hour, guys. And then in half hour, when we come back, take the cake out. I'm going to let it cool a little bit. You guys will see me cooling it off, and then after it's cool off, then we'll come back and we'll put that on top of the cake, put it in the fridge, cover it, and then we'll eat it. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you know what to do. I'll see you in half hour. Don't go away. So we're like 35 seconds, right?
Oh, yeah.
And we're gonna get ready to take this bad boy out. We actually don't have to wait the 30 seconds because we put like 5 more minutes extra, remember?
That's right.
So what I'm gonna do, here we go.
Wow.
Take it out, guys. We gotta let it cool off. And we'll be back in 10 minutes. When we come back in 10 minutes, we'll put the 3 leches, which is this that we have here, remember?
Oh, yeah.
And we gotta put 1.5 cups of milk.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
That's right.
And the 3 leches. And that's the 3 leches. We're gonna mix it with the milk and the powder. And then when this cools off, I'm gonna take it out. We're gonna put it on the top, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then we can take it out and have a slice. Thanks for watching. We'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is the cake. It's cool off. 10 minutes have passed. And this is like the flour of the 3 milks. But then it says that you're supposed to put 3.5 cups of milk. I don't know why so much milk, Michael, to be honest with you. What do you think about that?
Yeah, it might be a little bit too much.
I think so. It says that, but I think 3.5. I think they messed up. They must have messed up, right? Do you think we should put a little bit more then? Because it says 3.5. I mean, this is 2 with this, and it already looks, right? Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you think we're gonna need like really 3 of them, Mike?
I don't think so. I think
Right?
it's going to be too runny.
Yeah. No. Well, we're not gonna put a lot. So this is what you do. Okay. Oh, that's why they said 3.5.
Why?
So it can, you see, because as I put it in, this is getting heavy. See?
Oh.
That's why. But this is too much. I'm not gonna put all that.
So we're only going to
So
use
I'm
2
gonna
cups
do
of
it.
milk.
Yes, just 2 cups. And then it says you take a fork and very delicately you're gonna do this. See? They said like 1/2 inch apart. See? Because when we pour that over there, it's gonna go. That's why when I have ordered this cake in restaurants, and when I have ordered it, because I love this, and they really do this here in Texas in all these Mexican restaurants, you can find this cake everywhere. So what we're gonna do, let me take the thing that I have here, Michael, this one, look. And because we gotta, right?
Oh, yeah.
See? And you just pour this on the top.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do.
It smells really good, too.
It does, right?
Oh, so the
Because
leche seeps into the pores of the
Yeah,
cake.
exactly.
So giving it a creamier bite. Because it says moist cake mix.
Yeah, but I don't like it that runny like that. I
Like,
really
that's
don't.
perfect like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna
What do
put a
you
little
think?
bit more, and then it says refrigerate.
Preference.
Yeah, preference. You know, I don't
Preference.
want to put any more. How about you?
No.
I think that's good.
That's
so,
perfect.
and then it says, guys, to cover it, and we have to refrigerate it for a couple of hours. So
At
that's
least
what
2
I'm
hours.
gonna do. And this is what you guys get. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be back later. And I'll cut a piece.
That's right.
And if I don't come back later, you know, whenever this video comes out, probably tomorrow, I'll take a piece probably tomorrow morning for breakfast, you know. But for now, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube itself, Pinterest. And if you wanna like donate $5, $1, $10, $20, go click down below on Patreon.com and go ahead and donate. You know, I mean, a couple of $1 for Cindy's Kitchen will make you more happy. We'll all be happy. So thanks for watching. Love you all. And I'll see you again when I take a piece of that. You guys will see me eating it. Well, for now, I'm going to let you guys go. Happy Thursday night.
That's
Don't
right.
drink and drive. Love you all. And I hope you enjoy your Tres Leches cake. This is the one in the box. And this is the one, come on, Michael, in the fridge. Thanks for watching. So this is the cake, guys. I just went and got it out. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And your father said he wants a piece. So, yeah, like that, Michael. Wow,
Oh, yeah.
look how spongy and nice. Wow. I'm gonna just take a little piece. And this little corner here belongs down there, guys, okay? So I'm just putting it all together, and that's what it's gonna look like, guys. Something like that. My husband is going to eat some cake now. I'm gonna take a little piece. I wanna eat a little piece with you guys. Okay, guys, hold on a second. Michael, don't be recording me looking all ugly like this. Look at my hair, guys. Take a look. Okay. That looks. Oh. I always like this. It's delicious. Look. I thought I was gonna eat a piece with you guys. I was just watching the Golden Girls upstairs. I love it because it's so funny, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Right, so. And then bury my husband in peace. You think that's too much for that?
No, that's perfect.
That's perfect for him?
Oh yeah.
So, with that, guys, I'm not trying to be like, that's too good. I was supposed to have a little bit of juice or something. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna bring this one to my husband. Look how pretty it is, that cake. That looks absolutely gorgeous. If I would have put more milk, this would have gone through in the fork, the stabbing with the fork like that. So this, when I put it on, it could go like through and get a moisture. I only put 2 cups. I kind of like the top like that. It looks like a little bit of a frosting versus all that liquid stuff. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. I mean, if you want to donate, just go down the link before and donate $1, $5, $10, whatever you want to donate. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. Love you all, and have a great night. See you guys tomorrow.